Hey, so there's a new version which I'm calling sync send, and it's got a different URL. And the way this one works instead is it waits for the v4 render loop to finish rendering before it will pull the frame off the card into the CPU, and then it will run on background thread, which will push the frame to the BlackMagic device. So the advantage of this is that there shouldn't be any tearing at all because we are locking. Now, I mean, this camera here is rolling shutter, so you're not going to see that, but I haven't seen any tearing at all with this version because we are waiting for v4 to finish writing to the texture before we work with it. Everything's basically happening in a sequence in time, and what I think is at the right time. And because we're linking into that, we are also being registered as a GP operation because we are doing this in the v4 render stack, like in the stack of render instructions. Okay, so this version is a little bit different. The color conversion is very different, which means that it's using some new shaders which have changed the input and output to use this new shader mechanism. If I go to a 1080p, let's do 1080p video. Okay, you'll also be able to notice that there's much more of a one-to-one relationship with pixels. So if I just pause that now, you can probably see there, like in the X, there's like on off, which is what, which shows that basically our pixels are coming out exactly right. Vertically, it's not correct on this monitor because this monitor is 1900 by 1200 and it's stretching it, which also means the diagonal lines don't look perfect either. Okay.